Welcome students in my biology classes. Today we are going to start biology for 10th CBSE students. It is completely on demand. So in this session or in this playlist we are going to start biology for CBSE students as per NCERT syllabus. As we know in NCERT, the first chapter is life process, control and coordination, reproduction in organism. So all are the very complicated and concept based topic. So in this video we are going to start the first chapter of 10th CBSE student, which is life processes. So in complete life process chapter we will discuss the complete human life process, and the first life process, which is nutrition. In nutrition topic, we will take two part. First, nutrition in plants and then nutrition in animals. The two main portion in this chapter. And what is the nutrition? What is the definition of nutrition? In plant, photosynthesis, complete mechanism of photosynthesis, in which photochemical reaction and then dark reaction. In short, in animal, especially structure of human digestive system, and then working or functioning of human digestive system. So it is the topic which is related to the nutrition. Clear? In this video I will start the just introduction about the nutrition, which is the first chapter of life process. As we know, the word nutrition means, it is a very common word in which we have to so many times listen that nutrition means we have to take a balanced diet. We have to take the protein rich, carbohydrate, minerals rich diet. That time it is called nutrition. But in case of this chapter and then biology, the definition of nutrition is different. The process by which organism obtain their food. The process by which organism obtain food. It is the first criteria. The process by which organism digested food, it is the second criteria. The process by which organism absorbed food, digested food, absorbed, it is the third criteria. The process by which organism assimilated food or assimilation is the fourth criteria. So that time these all criteria when follow, or among these one is follow, that time it is the process is called nutrition. So again repeat the definition of nutrition: the process by which organism obtain food, either digest or directly release, either absorb or directly assimilate, that time is the process is called nutrition. Next, after the definition of nutrition, we can take the type of nutrition. Nutrition is of two types. First is autotrophic nutrition, and then second is heterotrophic nutrition. The two type of nutrition among living world. So first nutrition is autotrophic nutrition, second is a heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic means, auto means self, nutrition, and the definition of autotrophic nutrition means the process by which organism prepare their own food. That time the nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. In this nutrition, they not need to prepare food, or they are not depend to other organism for food. That time the condition is called autotrophic nutrition. We can take example of autotrophic nutrition, which is plant. Plants prepare food by the process of photosynthesis, so they are called autotrophs. Clear? Now in autotrophic nutrition, we can further classify it. It is of two type of autotrophic nutrition. First is called photoautotrophic nutrition, and second is chemoautotrophic nutrition. Photoautotrophic nutrition means the process by which organism prepare their own food with the help of solar radiation or sunlight. Solar radiation or sunlight. That time the process is called autotrophic nutrition. Chemotrophic nutrition means the process by which organism prepare food with the help of some chemical. So that time it is called chemoautotrophic nutrition. So first, photoautotrophic nutrition, they prepare food